Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to sublimate our wood photo panel with frame. The items you will be needing is our sublimation tape, the heat tape, the transfer sheet, and our wood photo panels. And so I wanted to show you exactly how they come. So they come in a box, and they come with attachments so you can hang it on the wall. So all you do is kind of lift up these little metal pieces to get out the sublimation part. All right, just like that. Next will be just attaching it to our transfer. So this has two sides, a pine side and a bamboo side. The pine side has more of a classic wavy wood finish. The bamboo side is a continuous straight grain look. We're going to sublimate on the pine side. So I'm going to place that down on my transfer and then heat tape it. And now we're ready for the heat press. All right, so how you're going to layer your heat press. First, you're going to layer your heat press with a couple layers of non-textured paper towels. You're going to put your substrate, the wood is down first, the transfer is on top. And then we're going to cover it with Teflon. We are doing these for 390 for a minute 20, medium to heavy pressure. All right, then you're just going to remove the paper. And then we're going to place it and place something heavy on it. You're going to place something heavy onto the product until it is truly cooled all the way. That way it'll help prevent warping. And there will still be some warping on it, but it will be totally fine to still get into the frame. These are available in 3 different sizes. For more information, check us out on our website or call the number below. Thanks for watching.